In this video, we'll be making my Papa Top bottle openers for everyone. Cheers. Alright, to make things a little bit easier, we're going ahead and using 1/2 inch by 6 project boards from the big box store. Start off with a 48-inch length, cut that down in half, and now we're going to go ahead and cut these down to the final 12 inches per piece that we need for the backs. Oddly enough, that last piece actually came out to 12 inches, and here are all 8 pieces. Alright, at this point we're going to go ahead and measure in 1 inch from the corner. That's what we can cut off the corners of each of the back panels. Go ahead and mark it off in a 45 degree. Now we're going to go ahead and use the miter gauge to set it all up. Get that fine tune on that line. Now we'll tighten down the stop on the miter gauge and we'll get repeatable cuts on both sides of the board. Quick and easy. For this project we'll be using our WeCreate 40. It's really cool. We just got it a couple of months ago and it works wonders. It's really easy to use and intuitive. The software is very user friendly. Just do it up, send an air print to it, and then go press the button on the laser. And it does all the work by itself. It's actually quite quick and easy. Alright, so each one still has a little bit of light scorching on the edges, if you can see that on camera. So we're just going to go ahead and give this a quick sanding with 240, and we'll call it good, and then we'll go on to assembly. A little light sanding cleans it right up. And of course, these are Christmas presents, so I had names done up to put on the front of these. Alright, quick disclaimer. I forgot to record the cutting of the sides and the fronts and do that engraving. But here we are, dry fitting the sides so we can get an accurate size for the bottom of each of the bottle cap catchers. And here we are marking it off and getting ready to cut them on the sled. Alright, assembly of the bottle cap catcher is quite easy. Just smear on a little bit of glue on the sides. We're going to hold that in place with a few pin nails. Then we're going to go ahead and slide in the bottom. A little more glue, and then we'll put on the fronts. Those will hold on with clamps since we don't want to show any pin nails from the front. Alright, here they all are. Of course, some took a little more persuading and others with more clamps. But everybody's set up and we should be ready to start sanding tomorrow. Now all the glue has dried up and we're out of clamps. Go ahead and sand everything up to 180 grit. After sanding, we'll go with some wipe-on poly. 3 coats in all with sanding in between. After the finish has dried, I'm just marking up centers on the top and bottom of the backs. So I can go ahead and hold the magnets, center those on those points, and use a punch to put in little divots. I go ahead and screw in all the magnets. These magnets are quite strong, so they will hold these bottle openers on the fridge with no problem. Last thing to do now is attach the actual bottle opener to the back of the bottle opener. I'm going to measure inch down, center point. Drill a pilot hole all the way through. Attach the top of the bottle opener to the back. And now recenter the bottom hole of the bottle opener. Drill yet another pilot hole. And put in that final screw, securing it all.
All right, all Papa Top bottle openers are completed and ready to go to the new homes for Christmas. Till next time.